What's going on, guys? My name is Envisions. Welcome back to another video. Today's first map is going to be on Game Show. We managed to get it in, guys. And, I already know these guys are going to be running around, even though I told them not to. But I'm going to fire them up now, just to let all of them know I'm coming after them. And these are players in today's lobby. We have Where My Tractor Go, War Machine, Itachi, I Finished You, I Only Knife, Phase Goose, Bulanda, Supreme Gods, Minato, Juan is Gay, TTV, Bryson, and that's it. Seems someone disconnected. We did have 12 though. But we are going to start now, and I'm sorry for the lag today. I don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi, but it's fine. It's fine. Juan is Gay is going to be the first player out of here. And I told these guys specifically not to run around, and they are running around. But you know what? It's fine. I don't know why you were turning around. What? Okay. I am not letting this guy out of my sight. TTV, Bryson is out of here. And right as I say, I'm not going to let him out of my sight. I let him out of my sight. Oh. War Machine is going to be out of here now. After just running around with a sledgehammer. Okay. Minato is going to be out of here. Man, these guys are running right into me. Wow. What? Okay, he should have been dead. It's fine. It's fine. We have a submachine gun too. It's alright. He should be dead. Okay, you know what? It's really laggy. We are on Game Show after all, so... Okay. So all these guys, I told them to try to hide. I know this is a small map. They didn't listen. Well, whatever. And Phase Goose is going to be out of here. Finally catching up to him. Thank God. What the heck? Okay. Itachi. That was a mile away, but okay. Itachi is out of here now. And we are going to be sneaking up on these players, maybe. Where My Tractor Go is out of here. Whoa, these guys are lagging. Bulanda is going to be out of here after that epic cutoff. That was great. That was great. I Finished You is going to be out of here, leaving I Only Knife and Supreme Gods, the last two players today. Let's spin the wheel. Let's see what we get. Let's hopefully get spin again or 1,000. Let's see. 400. Okay. Fair enough. Oh, whoa. What the heck? Okay. This game is broken. My Wi-Fi is really bad. But it's okay. It's okay. I keep falling for it every time. And then he disappears. Okay. But you know what? That's fine. Supreme Gods is going to be out of here. Congratulations to I Only Knife. I finally found him. Wow, that lag. Okay. Whoa, y'all. This is meme worthy right here. Okay. All right. What? Why are you trying to melee me? Okay, cheater. Congratulations, I only knife. Alright guys, we are now in the second round. We are taking this round over to raid, and I'm gonna fire my weapon up now, just to let all of them know I'm coming after them. And it seems that TTV Bryson died. He tried switching to my team, and then he switched back, and then he lost both his lives. He's sitting down. I'm just gonna leave him alone for now. That is War Machine. Alright. So just to make sure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. I am laggy. I am laggy. I am laggy. I am laggy. But you know what? What the frick, bro? What the frick? Bulanda is gonna be out of here. That was bad timing on your part. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. We are gonna find these players. And where my tractor go is out of here. Let's see if I can get this guy. Let's see. I finished you. Good try, but you are out of here, unfortunately. Let's just... What are you doing? You're out of here. Yeah, you're out of here. You want the gear package? I don't think he wants the gear package. Okay, he just jumped off. He accepted that he died. But you know what? That's fine. That's fine. Itachi. Itachi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just gonna say he's out of here. You killed me. You should really be dead. But it's fine. It's fine. You should be dead, bro. The lag today is ridiculous, guys. It is really, really ticking me off. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh! Someone is hiding in the fridge. Wow. Wait. I don't know where he's going. This guy is God mode. That guy advances. He's God mode. I'm gonna try it for a little bit. Oh, he disappeared. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I couldn't get the guy that was in the fridge, and I just had some connection problems. But, I did find Spring Gods, and I let him go. But, and it looks like Monado and whoever is in the fridge is gonna advance. Possibly. I'm still gonna try it a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Just gonna. FaZe Goose is out of here. And we did find Supreme Gods. Hey, I have a...
Securing B.
I have a... Damn. Supreme Gods is out of here. The round is now over as we have Minato and Wanisuke. Congratulations. You two will be advancing to the final round. We are in the middle. We are doing the melee battle. Oh man, well, congratulations. We'll see you in the melee battle. Alright guys, we are now in the melee battle. We do have Minato, Wanisuke, and I Only Knife. Congrats, you guys made it here. We're going to see who wins this. So let's go ahead and start. So let's see who takes out who first. Oh, Minato came in for the kill, taking out I Only Knife, and then I Only Knife taking out Wanisuke. Congratulations. I Only Knife winning his second lobby, I believe, with me. I believe. But, yeah, we're going to go at it now, and I'm going to get revenge. And I got revenge. Congratulations to I Only Knife. You are the winner of today's lobby. Alright, well, that is going to be all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.